Hey everyone, today I'm going to make pizza dough recipe. First you have to put 180 ml of warm water and also 1 packet of dry yeast, instant dry yeast.
And what else? Sugar.
Oh, sugar.
1 tablespoon of sugar.
The other mixture should get frothy. Then you should add 2 cups of pizza flour and and some oil, olive oil.
And then?
A little bit of salt.
And then what we have to do?
Mix it.
Okay, let's do. So if you are making with hands, like आप अगर हाथ से कर रहे हैं तो you need to do like stretching more and more. So your pizza dough will be soft. It's a tip. So I did in mixer, so no need. Okay, look. It's ready. So we are putting this in a pan. Same pan actually I'm using. So I did few 2 teaspoon of olive oil. Okay, I think this. You can see. So I'm adding here yogurt and garlic paste, ginger paste, and masala, chicken tikka masala. That's it. So I will fry it for pizza. And Isna's washing some dishes. Isna, what are you doing? So this is the oil. Let it be a little bit hot. Isna, why are you screaming?
Okay, my mom is making the shape of the pizza. You have to, if you want to make thick crust, you should do like this on the side, so like it makes like thinner over here and thicker over here.
And then what next?
We have to.
And then chicken, and also cheese.
Cheese, yeah. Should go get.
I think that's ready. Thoro veggies na. Ketro ta veggies na?
Just let me spread it out.
I'll help you, don't worry.
What
Spread kar. So it's not spreading. इसना इसको spread कर रही है पिज्जा को. I don't know कैसे बनेगा पिज्जा. मुझे तो लगता है बहुत अच्छा बनेगा. What do you think, Isna?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be good. But a little bit spicy because it's like spicy, you know.
So we have this almarai cheese. Isna's putting.
I think I'm gonna try to put it evenly around.
So it's ready, guys.
Keep pushing.
So Isna put it. Okay. Oh, this is the look of my pizza, guys. It's so yummy, you know. Oh, this is the look, and it's so tasty, to be honest.